Hey everyone, Greg Thiessen here in Chicago at the PT Expo. Just got my hands on the latest beta release of XMD. There's some new features. One in particular I want to show you right away, so check this out. I've got this little core insert here. So we're going to use smart water. We're going to add water down the middle of it. You know, it's an insert that needs to be cooled internally. We can't get water close enough around it in the core. So we'll place this right here, and knowing the smart water, I didn't use through smart water, so it stopped short as it should. And let's check this out. We're going to use a trim command, and when you trim it to the end, it automatically adds a plug because it knows it's a through line now. So now we've got a little water line going directly through that insert. Add the core on. Alright, let's come underneath that insert, and we're going to use smart water again. And again, not use through water, we're going to use blind. We're going to place a water line right there and right there to get up in that insert. We'll add some screws in the middle of it later, I guess. Okay, and you can see they stop short as they should. But now, here's the new feature. We're going to use trim command, and we're going to force that water line up into the insert. And when we do so, XMD now automatically knows that you need to add an O-ring there. So we've got a nice O-ring. They're going to be completely configurable to the O-ring you want to use. Pocket is automatically added for the O-ring. The pocket you can customize to exactly what you want for the O-ring pocket. Of course, it comes ready to use out of the box. You know, automatic O-rings might be a small thing, but I love it. I think it's a great new feature. Development really came through the last couple weeks getting this ready for the show. So if I just keep messing around, we'll play around for a little bit. We'll complete that circuit. We need an inline somewhere. Well, let's just drop it down low. Okay, so that'll be our inline. When I get the other one in, I'll change that to a jiffy later. And the other one will come from the side. Sure. Okay. Alright, and notice the automatic water, the smart water, automatically self-trims itself to the last water line that it sees. So we got to trim that back in this case. Now we've got the two that we want to put jiffies on. We're going to select them using our scope settings, and automatically they both get 2 jiffies and counterbores. So there, we're all set. Alright, hope you guys like it. Thanks.